Does instant back and shoulder relief always mean a pricey appointment? For too long, we've believed deep muscle pain needs a pro. But a powerful secret, often overlooked, lives right in your own hands. You can cut through that stiff feeling, unlock tight spots, and move freely. Get ready to discover 12 simple moves that change everything. Number 1, tennis ball shoulder blade massage. You know that deep nagging knot between your shoulder blades that you can never quite reach? Your new best friend is a simple tennis ball. It's perfect for applying that deep, satisfying pressure that finally lets a muscle release. Here's a great trick. Place a tennis ball inside a long sock and drape it over your shoulder. Now lean against a wall, positioning the ball right on that sore spot. Hold the pressure for 8 to 10 seconds. If you need a bit more intensity, use a firm chair instead of a wall. And for the deepest pressure, lie down on the floor. Just be sure to avoid rolling the ball directly over your spine. Number 2, foam roller mid-back roll. When that stiffness is spread across your whole back, a foam roller is exactly what you need. This move is fantastic because it does the exact opposite of what we do all day. It helps open your chest and undo that constant hunching. Lie on the floor and place the roller horizontally, right under your shoulder blades. Support your head with your hands and lift your hips. Now tighten your core and use your legs to slowly roll up and down from your mid-back to the tops of your shoulders. You want strong pressure, but never sharp pain. Number 3, cross-body shoulder release. Think about it. So much of our day is spent with our arms out in front, causing our shoulders to round forward. This simple stretch is the perfect way to counteract that. Bring one arm straight across your chest. Using your other hand, gently pull that arm closer to your body, feeling a deep, releasing stretch along the back of your shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply into the stretch, and then switch sides. This powerfully creates space within the shoulder joint, relieving that nagging, pinching feeling inside. Number 4, neck base pressure point hold. Let's chase that tension right up to the source, the base of your skull. Feel for the 2 hollow spots where your neck muscles connect to your head. Now use your fingertips to apply firm, steady pressure into those points. Hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds and then slowly release. You're looking for a satisfying pressure, that good hurt feeling, not sharp pain. If it's actually painful, ease up. Pushing too hard can make the tension worse. This is a powerful move to instantly relieve the tightness that leads to headaches. Number 5, upper trap thumb massage. You know that thick, tight muscle that runs from your shoulder up to your neck? It's so tempting to just reach over with your other hand and dig your thumb right into it. But here's a word of warning from the experts. That can seriously strain your thumb joint over time. A much safer way to get that same pinpoint relief is to grab a tennis ball. Hold it in your palm and use the force of your whole hand to press the ball into the muscle. This gives you that satisfying deep pressure without risking injury. This is incredible for working out a specific knot. But what about opening up your entire chest and shoulders at once? Our next move will do just that. Number 6, wall corner shoulder press. Think about your day. Almost everything you do, typing, driving, even looking at your phone, pulls your shoulders forward and rounds your back. This powerful stretch is the perfect antidote. As one physical therapy professor puts it, we have to counteract all that forward hunching by doing things that open up the chest and pull the shoulders back. Simply find a corner. Place your forearms on each wall with your elbows bent and gently lean your body forward. You'll feel a deep, releasing stretch across your chest, instantly creating space and relieving that tension. This is a game changer for your posture. But what about the deep, persistent ache in your lower back? Our next secret targets that exact spot. Number 7, seated back knuckle massage. This move is the perfect answer for that nagging ache that builds up in your lower back after sitting for hours. While you're in your chair, Just make a fist and reach behind you. Use your knuckles to gently rub the thick muscles that run up and down right alongside your spine. The key here is using the right amount of pressure. Think of it as a 5 to 7 on a 10-point scale. It should feel strong and satisfying, but never sharp. Experts warn that pushing too hard can actually make the muscle even more sore. This is great for targeted relief while you're stuck in a chair. But what if you need to stand up and open up your entire back at once? Number 8, lat muscle foam rolling. To truly open up your entire upper body, you need to release the huge wing-like muscles on your sides, your lats. Lie on your side and place the foam roller right in your armpit area, on that fleshy part of your back. Use your top arm for support as you gently rock your body forward and back, letting the roller dig in. Now, a critical warning from physical therapy experts. This should be a satisfying pressure, not sharp pain. If it hurts too much, you could actually be causing more inflammation. This is a powerful way to unlock shoulder mobility. But what about that stubborn knot that lives right between your shoulder blades? Our next move targets that exact spot. Number 9, shoulder blade pin and stretch technique. This move is a game changer for that one stubborn knot that just won't let go. Take a tennis ball and place it against a wall, right on that tight spot between your shoulder blade and your spine. Lean your weight into it to pin the muscle down. Now for the magic part. While keeping that pressure, slowly start moving your arm. Reach it up over your head, then bring it down. Or sweep it across your body. You're actively stretching the muscle while it's being held in place. But a critical warning from physical therapists. This should be a satisfying pressure, not sharp pain. If it hurts too much, you can actually cause inflammation and make the problem worse. This is perfect for targeting a single stuck spot. But what about opening up the front of your body to improve your posture for good? Our next technique does exactly that. Number 10, doorway chest release. Think about it. Almost everything we do all day, from typing to driving, is right in front of us. This constantly pulls our shoulders forward, creating that hunched posture that leads to so much pain. This simple stretch is the perfect antidote. Stand in a doorway and place your forearms on the frame, making sure your elbows are slightly above your shoulders. Now, gently step forward until you feel a deep, satisfying stretch across the front of your chest. This powerfully lengthens those tight pectoral muscles, helping your shoulders fall back into place. This is incredible for resetting your overall posture. But what about the deep, ropey muscles that run right alongside your spine? Our next move is designed to melt them away. Number 11, lower back ball roll. This is the secret for melting away tension in those thick, ropey muscles that run right alongside your spine. Grab a tennis ball and stand with your back to a wall. Place the ball right on that tight spot in your lower back, but never directly on your spine. Now, lean in and use your body weight to create a deep, satisfying pressure. If it's actually painful, you're pushing too hard and could make it worse. For extra control, here's a pro tip. Put the ball in a long sock. This lets you position it perfectly every time. This is perfect for pinpoint pressure. But what's the one move that can release your entire spine from top to bottom? Our final secret reveals all. Number 12, self-hug upper back stretch. This move is the perfect antidote to a long day hunched over a desk. Think about it. Everything we do pulls our shoulders forward and rounds our back. This simple stretch does the exact opposite. Just wrap your arms around yourself like you're giving yourself a big hug and try to grab your opposite shoulder blades. Now gently round your upper back, pushing forward. You should feel a wonderful stretch as your shoulder blades spread apart, releasing all that built-up tension right between them. It's a powerful way to instantly reset your posture. Back and shoulder stiffness rarely comes from one tight muscle. More often, it's a chain of tension running through the chest, shoulders, neck, and back that builds up over time. That's why these techniques work best together, helping restore movement, improve circulation, and reduce the stress your muscles have been carrying all day. Thanks for spending these minutes with me. If you'd like to keep learning, there are more videos on the channel covering muscle tension, posture, headaches, neck pain, and self-massage techniques. And if something in today's video gave you a little relief or helped you understand your body a bit better, that's exactly why I make these videos. I'll see you in the next one.